This enormous pyramid, located in Giza, Egypt, is the only one of the original 7 wonders of the ancient world still largely intact. What is it? The correct answer is the Great Pyramid of Giza. Built for King Nebuchadnezzar II, this wonder in ancient Babylon was a series of tiered gardens with lush vegetation. What was it called? The correct answer is the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. This colossal statue of the Greek sun god Helios stood at the harbour entrance of Rhodes. What was its name?
The correct answer is the Colossus of Rhodes.
A massive temple dedicated to the Greek goddess Artemis, located in Ephesus, modern-day Turkey, was renowned for its beauty and size. What was it?
The correct answer is the Temple of Artemis at Ephesus.
This towering lighthouse, one of the tallest man-made structures of its time, guided ships into the harbour of Alexandria, Egypt. What was it?
The correct answer is the Lighthouse of Pharos.
This magnificent statue of the king of the gods, crafted by Phidias, was housed in a temple in Olympia, Greece. What was it?
The correct answer is the Lighthouse of Pharos.
A grand tomb built for Mausolus, a satrap in the Persian Empire. This structure in Halicarnassus was so impressive it gave us a new word for a large tomb. What was it?
The correct answer is the Mausoleum at Halicarnassus.
While not one of the traditional 7 wonders, this impressive structure in Rome was an amphitheatre used for gladiatorial contests and public spectacles. What is it?
The correct answer is the Colosseum.
This ancient city in present-day Jordan is famous for its rock-cut architecture, especially its treasury building carved directly into the sandstone cliff. What is it?
The correct answer is Petra.
This massive defensive structure in China was built over centuries to protect against invasions from nomadic tribes. What is it?
The correct answer is the Great Wall of China.
This ancient city in Peru, nestled high in the Andes Mountains, is a spectacular example of Inca engineering and is often referred to as the lost city of the Incas. What is it?
Answer is the Great Wall of China.
This Mayan archaeological site in Mexico is famous for its well-preserved pyramid, El Castillo, which has 365 steps. What is it?
Answer is Chichen Itza.
Located in India, this magnificent white marble mausoleum was built by Emperor Shah Jahan for his wife Mumtaz Mahal. What is it?
Answer is the Taj Mahal.
This iconic landmark in Rome, featuring a massive dome with an oculus, was originally a Roman temple dedicated to all gods. What is it?
Answer is the Pantheon.
This complex of ancient temples and monuments in Cambodia is one of the largest religious monuments in the world, originally built as a Hindu temple and later converted to a Buddhist one. What is it?
Answer is Angkor Wat.